Let's look at how you can add a Ninja form inside your video to capture leads. We have created an email subscription form inside Ninja Forms. Now we will head over to GoDAM's video editor page and select a video to add the form inside video. Now I will select a timestamp where I want my lead capture form to show up. Now I will select the Ninja form GoDAM integration from available integrations. As soon as I select the Ninja form layer, I can see the email subscription form that I created in Ninja form. I will allow my viewers to skip the form. You can choose to unselect it. Now I will add a background to the form layer so it captures maximum attention and does not distract my viewers. Now finally I will save my form. Now I will go to the next step of adding my GoDAM video to a WordPress post. For this I will quickly create a new post. Next I will add a GoDAM video block and add the video where I embedded the form. Now I will move ahead with publishing the post. Let's view the post we just created. We can see my GoDAM video appears on the post, and let's play the video to see the Ninja form in action. Here is the email subscription Ninja form inside my video that I added in my GoDAM video. It appears at the right timestamp as per my set time. Now I will fill the form and let's see if my submission gets captured. We see a successful message displayed by Ninja form. Now, let's check if our submission was recorded successfully and if I collected the lead. I select the email subscription form, the drop-down list. Here we can see the email submission that we filled in the Ninja form embedded inside our GoDAM video. And I have successfully captured my lead.